Welcome back, everyone. So as we were saying, 5 is an odd number and 5 is an odd number. But when we put them together, each one has a partner. So an odd number with its same odd number makes an even number because they're equal groups. So that brings us to double stacks. If you can circle two equal groups and make a double stack, like 5 and 5, or 6 plus 6, the double stack is even. So in this example, we can circle 6 circles and 6 circles. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Let's try it on our own. This says, write an addition sentence for the picture below to show equal groups. Now, I see, what do I see? I see 3 green squares. Thumbs up if you see it too. I'm going to fill in 3. Now notice on my equation, it says blank equals blank plus blank. I see another 3. That's my double stack. 3 plus 3. So I'm going to fill in 3. So far I have 3 plus 3. But now if I look at the whole picture, there are 6 green squares total. So I'm going to fill in 6. I could make 2 equal groups. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Now we're going to talk about the different ways to write numbers. We have standard form, our numbers together. We have expanded form, right? We take standard form and we stretch it out. We expand the number. We have place value blocks, our picture form. We're using our 10s and our 1s. We have word form. We want to take out our handy dandy word form chart to help us spell those words of those numbers. So if we have the standard form, we have 46 right here. It's in standard form. I see 2 digits and the number is together. Now, if I want to look at the expanded form of 46, I think about what's the value of my 10s and the value of my 1s. 4 10s is 40, 6 1s is 6. That means my expanded form of 46 is 40 plus 6. So now I want to look at place value blocks. I'm going to draw it out. I'm going to have 4 10s because there's a 4 in the 10s place. And I'm going to have 6 1s because there's a 6 in the 1s place. Now I'm going to take out my word form chart because I need to write 46. I find 40 on my word form chart, right? Check my work. I find 40 on my word form chart and I write 40. Then I'm going to write a dash and write 6. Now let's try another one. We are not always given all of the forms. We might have to create them. So we're given expanded form, 30 plus 2. We're given place value blocks. I see 3 10s, I see 30, and I see 2 1s, I see 2. Our word form, if we read it, says 32. So now what's my standard form going to be? Write the standard form of the number that's missing. 32. Now let's try another one. This one, we're given the standard form. I see the number 18 in standard form. We're given our place value blocks. I see 1 10 and I see 8 1s. The word form is 18. What is my expanded form? Write the expanded form of 18. Think about what's the value of our ones? What's the value of our tens? Remember, blank plus blank. Now you're going to go back to your seats and you're going to work on this paper. Now you see a lot of things right now, but we're going to look at standard form, expanded form, place value blocks or picture form, and word form. And we want to fill in the missing form. So the first one, we're missing our standard form. Look at expanded form, look at the picture form, look at the word form, and fill in the standard form of the number. Do the same for the next 3 rows. You can do it. I can't wait to see all your hard work and show everything you know.